Learn how to fine-tune GPT models specifically for enhancing customer support interactions. This skill is crucial for companies aiming to automate and personalize customer service efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that GPT models are revolutionizing customer support by making interactions more personalized and efficient? In today's video, we'll take you through the steps of fine-tuning these powerful models specifically for customer service. You'll learn how to harness the unique capabilities of GPT to provide top-notch support that keeps customers satisfied and loyal. Stay tuned to discover the tools and techniques you need to transform your customer service strategy. To effectively fine-tune GPT models, it's crucial to first understand their architecture. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of language model that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. At the core of GPT models is the transformer architecture, which allows them to process and generate text based on context. This means GPT can understand the nuances of customer queries and provide relevant, context-aware responses. By understanding these foundational concepts, you'll be better equipped to customize GPT models to meet your specific customer support needs.
Before fine-tuning a GPT model, you need to gather the right type of data. This includes historical customer queries, support tickets, and chat logs. High-quality data is crucial, as it directly impacts the model's performance. Ensure that your data is clean, relevant, and diverse to cover a wide range of scenarios. Privacy is paramount, so always anonymize personal information. Utilize tools like data labeling platforms to categorize and analyze data effectively. By understanding your data requirements, you can create a solid foundation for a successful fine-tuning process.
With your data collected, the next step is preprocessing. This involves cleaning and formatting your dataset to ensure it's ready for fine-tuning. Remove any noise, such as irrelevant information or duplicates, and ensure consistency in data format. Tokenization is a key step, where text is broken down into smaller units or tokens. Encoding follows, translating tokens into a format the model understands. Balance your dataset to prevent bias and ensure diversity to cover various customer scenarios. Proper preprocessing sets the stage for optimal model training. Setting up the right environment is critical for successful fine-tuning. Choose a platform that suits your needs, such as Google Cloud, AWS, or Azure, ensuring you have the computational resources required. Popular tools like Hugging Face Transformers and PyTorch provide robust frameworks for fine-tuning. Configure your environment to support scalability, allowing you to adapt as your needs grow. Flexibility is also important, enabling you to integrate new tools and technologies as they become available. With the right setup, you'll be ready to fine-tune your GPT model effectively.
Now that your environment is set up, it's time to train your GPT model using your customer service data. Begin by loading your pre-processed dataset into the model. Carefully configure training parameters, such as learning rate and batch size, to optimize performance. Monitor the training process closely, watching for signs of overfitting or underfitting, and adjust parameters as needed. Evaluate the model's initial results to ensure it's learning effectively. This step-by-step approach will help you train a model that's well-equipped to handle customer queries. Evaluating your model's performance is crucial to ensure it's ready for deployment. Focus on key metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to gauge effectiveness. Test the model with real-world scenarios to see how it handles different customer queries. User feedback is invaluable, providing insights into the model's strengths and areas for improvement. Continuous monitoring allows you to track performance over time, making necessary adjustments. Utilize tools like TensorBoard or custom dashboards to streamline the evaluation process and maintain high standards.
With your model fine-tuned and evaluated, it's time to deploy it into your customer support system. Set up the necessary infrastructure to support deployment, ensuring compatibility with existing systems. Test the model in a live environment to verify its performance and integration. Security and compliance are paramount, so implement measures to protect data and adhere to regulations. Plan for scalability, allowing the model to handle increased demand as your business grows. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transition your model from lab to live, enhancing your customer support capabilities. Deployment is not the end of the journey. Continuous monitoring ensures your model remains effective over time. Watch for performance drifts, which may indicate the need for adjustments or retraining. User feedback is a valuable resource, providing insights into areas for improvement. Regular updates and retraining help keep the model aligned with evolving customer needs and business goals. Utilize tools like monitoring dashboards to track performance metrics and streamline the update process. By prioritizing ongoing maintenance, you can ensure your model continues to deliver exceptional customer service. Congratulations on reaching the end of our guide on fine-tuning GPT models for customer support. We've covered everything from understanding the model architecture to deploying and monitoring your fine-tuned model. By customizing GPT models, you can provide personalized, efficient support that meets your customers' needs. We encourage you to start your fine-tuning journey and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and suggest topics for future videos. Together, let's continue to enhance the world of customer support through AI innovation.